Oh, we weren't filming?
No.
Oh.
We were not filming. Welcome.
Season 2 is starting very soon, mamas.
Season 2. We just spent the last half hour running around my room like monkeys trying to set this up, and this is what we decided on.
This is the end result.
This is nothing. Yeah, the lighting isn't that bad. So anyway, these are all the negatives. The positive,
You get to see our faces.
you can watch this.
Today we're gonna have sexy story time.
In
And
Michaela's bedroom. Is
this
she cute?
is the paint by numbers she did. And that's another paint by numbers she did.
But when I have men over, they ask me if I've painted them, and I just say, yeah.
Yes. You did paint them.
I did. I
They
painted
didn't ask
them.
you if you drew them.
This is accurate.
Men are stupid.
Men are so stupid. There have been many stupid men in this bedroom.
Yeah.
If these walls could speak, they would say, Michaela, you're dumb. Anyway, welcome to
Wait,
Not Your
can you
Mother's
put your leg in so that I keep not falling off the edge?
Not Your Mother's Book
Not Your Mother's Book Club.
This is gonna be rough.
Manage audio.
The gain is going up.
The gain is going down.
The gain is going down. It stopped.
What's your favorite sex position, Michaela?
I don't like this.
But you know what? I feel like this could work.
This is the best option.
This is the best option. Do you want to hear the book I brought for you this week?
I really do. Then we're doing a tester.
This is a test. This book is called A Shameful Consequence.
Oh, why is it in such small?
I just want to fuck all night.
Whoa! Oh.
Oh.
Need to wear a bra.
My boobs look like old lady
They
boobs.
look so saggy.
I love feminism.
We're doing this for you. I don't do anything for this podcast. I just hit my headphone. Oh no.
Kate, let's try it at the lowest on the.
Oh, okay. Well, usually my mic is this close.
Yeah. Okay, well, let's do halfway then.
Okay.
50%.
Because I know everything. My headphones are plugged into nothing. I'm literally wearing them as a prop. I'm gonna get my headphones.
Well, wait, let's do a sound check first.
Sound check.
Sound check.
Did it.
I see what the issue will be.
You foresee?
I foresee an issue.
What's the issue?
Moving it around creates background noise. So we just have to be super mindful.
I've never been mindful in my life.
She's never been to Uba Java.
What did you call me?
Big Hall. Okay.
Okay. Hi.
My turn. Hi. My name is Dharma. I am the glue that holds this podcast together. Michaela does nothing.
I'm so excited to publish these and nobody watched them. Except for my dad. My dad, so excited that we're getting a YouTube channel.
Oh my god.
He is very excited. He's not going to watch it, but he is very excited. Okay.
I'm happy that worked out.
Yeah, me too. I'm happy we figured it out.
You know what? We make a really good team.
You know, we're going to be famous one day, Dharma.
I foresee this for us. Who doesn't want to be us? Who doesn't want to be us? Name one person.
Everyone!
Everyone wants to be us.
Yeah,
They
this is
wish
true.
they were us.
If I was you,
I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me. Cute.
Okay, we're done. I forgot we were recording.